If you are running an emulator to play games on your iPhone, some games may run slow, lag, or may not even start because they require JIT. Normally, enabling JIT on iOS needs a computer, a USB cable, and extra setup every time. But in this video, I'll show you a completely 100% no computer method to enable JIT directly on your iPhone using StikDebug. With this method, you can activate JIT directly from your iPhone and get better performance for supported emulators and apps. So, let's get started. To enable JIT using StikDebug without a computer, the first app you need is SideInstaller. You can download SideInstaller from Apple JR website. I already made a full tutorial on how to install SideStore without a computer using SideInstaller. So make sure you watch that video first if you don't have SideInstaller installed yet. The link to the full guide is in the description. Once SideInstaller is installed on your device, open the app. SideInstaller is important because we will use it to help prepare the setup needed for StikDebug. Before logging in with your Apple ID, you need to install LocalDevVPN first. Inside SideInstaller, tap on LocalDevVPN. After that, you will be redirected to the App Store. Now tap Get or Install to download LocalDevVPN on your device. LocalDevVPN is required for this method because it helps create a local connection on your iPhone. After LocalDevVPN is installed, open the app. Now tap Connect. Tap Allow, then enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. Once the permission is allowed, LocalDevVPN will connect on your device. You can check the status at the top of your screen. Now you should see the tunnel status showing as connected. Next, you need to log in with your Apple ID inside SideInstaller. Enter your Apple ID and password, then continue. Then select the StikDebug option from the list. After that, tap Install StikDebug. Now you may see a warning that says Pair with this device. To continue, open Settings on your iPhone. Go to Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and tap Developer Mode. Make sure Developer Mode is turned on. Inside Developer Mode, you should see an option called Pair with SideInstaller. Tap Pair with SideInstaller to allow SideInstaller to pair with your device. For your information, the Pair with this device option in Developer Mode only appears on iOS 27 and later. This is a new feature from Apple, so if you are still using iOS 26 and you don't see this option, you may need to update your device to iOS 27 or later to use this method. Now tap Pair with SideInstaller. After that, your iPhone will ask you to enter a pairing code. To get the code, go back to SideInstaller. Inside SideInstaller, you will see the pairing code on the screen. Copy that code, then go back to the Developer Mode pairing page and paste or enter the code. Once the code is entered correctly, SideInstaller will be paired with your device. After pairing is complete, go back to SideInstaller again. Now the installation process will continue automatically. Before continuing, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. This is important because SideInstaller needs internet access to complete the device link process. Sign in with your Apple ID. If SideInstaller asks for a two-factor authentication code, check your trusted Apple device or your SMS message. Copy the verification code, then paste or enter it inside SideInstaller to continue. After that, SideInstaller will continue the process automatically. Now just wait until the whole process is complete. Do not close SideInstaller and make sure LocalDevVPN stays connected during the process. Once everything is finished, StikDebug should be installed on your iPhone. Next, once StikDebug is installed on your iPhone, you need to trust the developer profile before opening the app. To do that, open Settings. Go to General, then tap VPN and Device Management. Under Developer App, you should see the Apple ID or developer profile used to install StikDebug. Tap on the profile, then tap Trust. Now StikDebug is trusted on your device, and you can open it normally from your home screen. At this point, you can use StikDebug to enable JIT without using a computer. Open StikDebug on your iPhone. Inside the app, you will see a list of sideloaded apps that are available on your device. Now select the app that you want to run with JIT. In my case, I want to run the MeloNX emulator with JIT enabled, so I will select MeloNX from the app list. After selecting the app, StikDebug will automatically launch it with JIT. Now let's check if JIT is enabled or not. As you can see, JIT is now enabled successfully. That means the emulator can run with better performance, and now you can start playing your games on your iPhone. And that's it. This is how you can enable JIT completely without using a computer. No PC, no Mac, no cable. Everything is done directly from your iPhone using StikDebug. If this video helped you enable JIT without a computer, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can find all download links and the full guide in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.